You ever been in class and you want to click your pen, but it's too quiet? So when you don't click your pen because you don't want to be embarrassed. Well, here's how you click a pen without anybody being able to hear your pen. It works almost every time. See, just any pen that clicks. Just a normal pen. I get about like this. See that? You can already click it. Perfect. No noise at all. No noise at all.